As far as he is right. So what are we going to do now? As far as he is right. Okay, we both are right. Okay, father. What is that? His name is Smokey. I think that girl is right. Father Smokey looks intelligent. Let's carry the down ourselves. Nobody will blame. Okay. Want a piece of food? What a piece of food? What is this piece of food? What are we going to do now? I don't know, Father. We did what they told us to do. Now they are office. And you think first right and it's better to decide. Even if not everybody agree, I know, Father. I know you will ride half the way, and I will ride in the other half along the way. You can rest. Well done, my son. Let everybody talk. Let people talk.
Show that board. Board.